You're gone and I gotta stay.
Royal wedding viewers rinse Marcus Mumford as cameras spot him yawning during ceremony. Former Suits actress Meghan Markle has married Prince Harry at Windsor Castle's St George's Chapel today. A total of 600 guests are attending the ceremony, including the likes of Idris Elba, Serena Williams and David Beckham. But some eagle-eyed viewers spotted it may have got all a bit too much for Mumford. Cameras captured the 31-year-old letting out a yawn, but, realizing he was on camera, he desperately tried to stifle it. His wife Carey Mulligan failed to spot the moment, but Twitter users back at home certainly didn't. "My favorite part of the royal wedding was seeing Marcus Mumford start to yawn," one commented. Another added, "Saw you yawn, Marcus Mumford. I get it, mate, but you're on the telly, internalize." A third wrote, "Marcus Mumford, you have just been busted." It isn't the only moment from the wedding that has gone viral online. American Bishop Michael Curry stole the show with his passionate address. Prince William and Princess Eugenie were among those to share a smirk.